Ever stared at your Chime credit builder card balance wondering if you can push it just a little further than its limit? Let's break down overdrafting your Chime credit builder card. Unlike Chime's checking accounts, the credit builder card is designed to prevent overdrafts. This is a crucial feature that helps you build credit responsibly. If you try to make a purchase that exceeds your available balance, the transaction will simply be declined. Chime will not authorize the purchase, meaning no overdraft fees, no interest charges on the overdraft amount, and most importantly, no negative impact on your credit score. The credit builder card reports your payment activity to the major credit bureaus to help you build your credit history. It helps users with thin credit files or users who want to build responsible credit habits. This no overdraft feature ensures you stay within your credit limit, avoiding the cycle of debt that traditional credit cards can sometimes encourage. So, remember, you can't overdraft your Chime credit builder card. This feature helps you develop good spending habits and build your credit safely. Thanks for watching.